Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some technically interesting trades that I had today. I'm going to show you how you can trade by using the trend lines, how it can be profitable, and how you can open short and long on the same crypto and close both of them with the gain. My first trade was on the Solana and USDT. As we see on the chart, the price came to an upward trend line and it came to its support level, so I'm taking long position from here, and I'm not adding with the whole amount of money. I just add the portion, so in case if the price will go a bit deep, so I can add more. The situation here not that interesting. We have only upward trend line and there is no straight support or resistance levels. So it's just because the price is increasing, and I'm expecting that they're going to be a small pullback because locally we're on the bullish market. By locally, yep. There is nothing much to say here. The price was like moving on both sides without a straight movement to a particular side, because since we came to a support level of the trend line, I'm expecting a good pullback or breakout or a fake breakout where, as I said, I can add more of my position to my position, sorry. Let's collect 10 likes to this video and I'll start my first stream so you all guys can see my live trading session, or if you'll decide that you want to follow my trades, you also can do it. It's not an advice, it's not a recommendation for you. Remember that trading on the futures with the leverage is very risky, especially trading on the cryptocurrency. But if you are interested in it, as I said, let's collect 10 likes and I will start my live session with you. And with the price, I'm still waiting, maybe like some fake breakout, as I said, so I will add more, but it seems like we're going a good upward. I mean, we're following the trend line and we're making good pullback here. And there is nothing interesting happening on the order book. There is no big limit orders. I mean huge limit orders where the price can consolidate a bit without breaking, or if it will break good, then we're gonna have a good pumping or dumping session. And what do you think? How many trades I should make on the video? Because I don't want to take much of your time by watching it, because is somehow is boring just watching on the chart. So what do you think? Maybe I should put a bit faster version of the video, maybe, or and make, let's say, 4 or 5 trades per video. I want to know your opinion about it, so just give me a number on the comments how many trades per video you want to watch. Because for me, I found it interesting just looking at the chart while when your position is open. But I also can accept that sometimes is boring when there is no straight strong movements. And let's increase a bit the speed of the video. So, and as you see, it looks like I said, like, well, there is no chance for me to add extra load, add extra size of my position, because the price even didn't came back to the opening price. So As we see, the price already giving us around 20% now, so I think it's a good time maybe to close the position, because 20% is good. And also I could enter with all my deposit, so I mean with the whole amount that I planned. So yes, the trade brings us around 25%. I'll put a screen to the video so you can see it. And my next trade was on the XTZ and USDT. Here I will put a Bitcoin chart, so it will be easy for us so to follow the Bitcoin chart as well, because the Bitcoin start dropping and all the altcoins start following it. So on this XTZ coin, I'm expecting to drop this support level and to go up till maybe the second support level, because the second one is it comes from the higher time frame, and the first one is just the local support line. So if we're breaking it, there is no prices, there is no order, so we can just ride till the second support. So this is what I'm expecting from it. And as we see, the Bitcoin gives a small pullback here. So, and also I didn't enter here with the whole amount of deposit, but I'm planning to add it as well. As I said, here I'm planning to add my extra when the price will come to the support level, and when we'll try to break it. And because why and why I think that the price most probably will break the level, because the support level of the Bitcoin is not strong, actually is not strong at all. And as we see, the price start consolidating a bit on this level, so it gives us higher chance that the price will break it, because it will collect all the orders on the order book, and it will just start the movements on stop losses. Because as you remember yesterday, I said to you that everybody is seeing these lines, and most of them are putting the stop losses right behind it. And as you see, the price start moving, and actually I was a bit late to enter with the rest of the deposit, but still we're good. And I'm seeing a good movements. I thought about to put my stop losses, but I think the price might just touch it and just follow the dipping. Yes, here I'm taking decision to close the position, because now I'm looking for a good moment to open on long here, because I'm pretty sure that we're going to have a pullback. It's just the time, so just keep tracking it. Yes, I'm taking long here. Why I took long? Because the price already came so close to the second support level. Yes, it might be a bit early, but sometimes, most of the times it's taking late. So I took it early, and in case if the price will dip a bit more, I can just add extra on this position. Yes, and looks like I was right on time. And here we're closing the second position with the same coin that I explained you in the beginning. So basically, this was a perfect scalping movement, the perfect scalping trade, because we took a short here, and right on the dip we close it, and then we're taking a pullback from the same place where we closed it. So basically, from the short we're taking long, and both of these trades become a profitable. And after it, let's just take a look at the Bitcoin, what's happening. Maybe there is some explanation, some predictions that may work from my side. Yes. So here we can see a good local support level, right? The green line that I draw on the chart. So in case if the price will break it, we're going to 45,000, and the 45,000 level is not a very strong level. Yes, it's a good strong price, but the level is not so strong. So if we're breaking it, we're going to head to 44,000. So this is a bad scenario for Bitcoin. Of course, on this green line we might have a good pullback, but you know, we already touched it like so many times. And this was it for today. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for your support that you've put in your likes to my videos, and wish you all the wealth.